Hello, hello. Right. It's so much to cover. It's so much to cover still. We have made it through half, a little bit more of half of the entries, but it's still a long way to go. And I'm going to be giggly and happy and yeah, just seeing all those wonderful entries because there are so many very good ones. And also the newcomers. I want to welcome all the newcomers who have entered for the very first time in this competition, one of their homes, whether that's a small one or a large one. You've done it. You did it. Because it's just participating is everything, in my opinion. And so you can get to know the community a bit better, learn a few tricks or two. And hopefully, glean some, insights from some of the other designers, and maybe you find something new or something you never thought you could build, and then you soar. So last stream was a record-breaking stream for me, guys. You held out with me for 6 hours. I still can't believe it. It's so surreal to me that you would sit at home, comfortable in your chairs or sofas, and would watch me go through houses very slowly. And yeah, enjoy it so much. I'm very glad you are. Right. And without further ado, I shall have a look-see to who we are going to visit for the first time on the stream today. And I really love that name. It is a wonderful name that you can play around with. It's just, I just really like that name. And it's by Mondennebel. So moon mist, it would translate maybe, but you don't have to translate a name. Mondennebel. Doesn't that sound wonderful? I love that name already. So, and the title to their house, I should start with the house itself. It is an Enchanted snow globe. We have seen a number of those in the last stream. There were a lot of snow globes, and there were also a lot of Stillwater retreats. And it's titled Wintermarket and Cozy Fireplace. There's not really a description, but I still will share the little note that this designer has given us. This house should give anyone who visits a cozy feeling and a nice time to relax and slow down from the hectical time we live in. Isn't that sweet? I do love something like that. Also to start the stream off with. And I shall take us there. I hope all of you can relax a little bit. Put up your feet maybe. Sip on a nice, tasty tea. Oh, look. Aw. Aw. Not so fast. Oh, good evening. Welcome to the stream. I hope you will have a wonderful time with me, exploring beautiful homes, glorious entries to this wonderful competition. Mondennebel. Look, everyone. Can you see it up there? Hovering. Oh, wonderful. Oh, oh, hello. Look, everyone. Very in keeping with the theme. We do see a lot of citrusy fruit in this competition being displayed in a wintry theme, of course. So lovely. Very nice stalls here as well. Softly lit. Nice little detail just right off the bat when you enter. It's very sweet. Look. Oh, how darling. I do love that up here. It so draws the eye. At least totally draws my eye. Wonderful vine work there and just soft, snowy, wintry elegance. Slowing us down indeed. Let's see, have a look around here. Ah, yes. I see, or I feel like I'm seriously going to a wonderful Christmas market. They do have those little tables, very rustic tables around there. Oh, look. Oh, how elegant and very big. How nice. Oh, I have to have a closer look there. Uh-huh. Sweet rolls, very important in this season. Must have all the sweets. More bread. Somebody is having the best time, giggling away. Look, too much detail there. Pies still baking, bread baking away. Wonderful. It's a nice idea. Oh, look. Of course, wonderful cakes. Nothing wrong with that. And cheese. Wonderful cheese too. Staring at it. Ah. It's also a powerful lighting device, that one. Very neat display here. Elegantly covered over. Cheesecake? Really? I mean, this is a hard cheese. I would say you need, you might need cream cheese to make cheesecake. No cheese! Cake and cheesecake. Look, this is a wonderful layered one. Yes, that one indeed. If you get it, hold on to it. I do like it as a lighting device, this one. It's very powerful. If you put it in a very dark room, anywhere, you see what I mean. It is very, very powerful. Or cheese, you know. Would like to know what they made it with. What kind of dairy was used. Look, everyone. Aw. What a wonderful time of year we've come here. So wonderful. Look. Oh, that's interesting. Anyone ever had candied, well, crickets or, well, maggots? Protein, extra protein here. Bit of fish. Wonderful. It's a nice idea with the display here. Again, really elegantly lit, very subtle. Oh, hello. Such a friendly smile. Oh, how curious. I did see something there shimmering in the distance, so Ree had to have a look. Door seems closed. Oh. Is there maybe a way in from the other? No. Very, very closed. But nice decoration. Door could be opened. Yeah. I can't interact with it. Maybe I can just, no. You know, forcing myself through also doesn't work. Still, it's a nice little lit home, and I'm sure inside it does shimmer a little bit like there is coziness going on inside. But as you can see, I can't enter. Let's have a look around here. Also nice display, wonderfully lit. Oh, good evening, Toad. Welcome, welcome. Oh, it's open now? Well, thank you, thank you. Oh, oh, sauna. It's a sauna, everybody. Gonna have to go in one more time. Sorry, sorry. Also, do feel free to close the door behind me once I've had a look. Thank you also so much for opening it for me. Really appreciate it. Look, here you just strip, you know, grab a towel. Of course, you would close the door, and then you take a seat, enjoy the heat, turn around that little clock for you so you can see just how long you can handle the heat. Love that idea. Wonderful. Really, really nice. Also here we have a little bit of, well, they usually add a little bit of eucalyptus or other fragrances to pour above or on top of the stones in a sauna so that it's not just stuffy, but you have something in your nose that smells great. It's really nice. In Finnish saunas, you would also find little devices to help you lose a little bit more sweat. Really love it. Also nice display here with the laundry. Ah, that is the powerful light I saw shimmering from the outside. What a great idea! And yes, you can lose all the stress in here. Everyone, look. Also, those of you who've not been here, please come. Send kind messages to Mondennebel and tell them they did a good job. Very nice. Very nice idea. Have not seen any of that in any of the competition houses so far. Wonderful. Thank you again for opening the door. And this looks to me like candles are being produced. You know, this is also something very typical that is being done in some of the Christmas markets around here. You can create your own candles. So they would have wax heated up, and then you would start off with just a very tiny piece of thread and go and go and go. Takes a while and patience, but it's very calming and relaxing. Not sure if that's the intention, but that's the way I see it. What do you guys think? Making candles here? It's very, very nicely made and so detailed. So much. Oh, so much detail. Did I say much detail? Even more detail here. Look, everyone. Also very classical, this approach. In many Christmas markets, you would see traders and people who want to show off their craft or their trade. And then, of course, you can purchase some of what they make. And yeah, it's very interesting. Some of the trades are very classical and, well, not being, well, they're not really being conducted as, you know, they were started. For instance, you in some of the medieval Christmas markets, you see blacksmiths, and they're not using like super modern tools at all, but sticking to very archaic methods. And yeah, but still really, really interesting because you can learn a lot about the craft by just watching and seeing how arduous and strenuous that particular trade is. Wonderful display here with all the different fabrics and threads in the back. Also the spools there. And of course, looks like stitching has been done here. It's very, very neat. Do appreciate that. Wonderful display here as well. Oh, look! And a mannequin, of course, to showcase maybe a brilliant design. Wonderful. More rugs, of course. Eager customers. Oh, this is my kind of shop. Oh, DeBella's Mysteries and Revelations. That makes for interesting reading, maybe. Really nice display here. Really elegant too. Gently lit. Also nice display here. The wonderful statue here. Or statuette, I should say. Oh. Oh, on joining the Keepers of the Dead. Oh, what an interesting book. Very nice choices here as well. Haha. Nice display here as well. Wonderful display box. Ah, yeah, I kind of want to boop your nose. So sweet. I do appreciate all the wine work that has gone on here. That is very, very nice and impressive. Really appreciate that. As you all are seeing, I'm going to do a little lap around here. Oh, cushions, everyone. All the cushions. I do hope my microphone is not picking up all the fireworks outside. It has already started, and I hope you can't hear it. Ah, pottery, of course. Also, really wonderful display. Just me. I'm very glad that you can only hear me. Very good. Oh, also a little bird feeder here. Nice little details all around. Trying to make sure I'm not missing anything, you know. Oh, baubles. Are these supposed to be baubles here? And of course, some citrusy fruits and apples and cherries and candies and all those things. Yes, yes, are a must. Definitely a must during this time of year. Very nice. Really, really elegant. Oh, hello, you. Oh, good job. Good job putting that in their hand. That's not so easy. Very fiddly sometimes to get it just right. Really nice and elegantly lit. Also the entrance here. I'm not yet getting in. I want to also make sure to get this. Oh, look. Oh, look. Just in case anybody was in need of a Christmas tree. Oh, Mondennebel, you thought about everything that you need during this time of year, it seems. All the different kinds. Wonderful. Really love what you did here. All ready and prepared. Bring a little bit of Saturnalia into your home. And even the towering ones. Also nice idea for those. Very, very nice. And of course, you thought about those that have withered a little bit prematurely. And or is it the packaging? Could also be the packaging. Because there are two different types of these, a shredder and a packaging tool where you just get them in and then zoop it through. And it's all nice and wrapped up and you can transport it home easily. Very elegant. Also good to think about that. To add this here to this little Christmas market. Again, I want to pan up. Look up there. Ooh, I love this. Is that a Leeuwin canopy? Looks like it. Oh, nicely lit, that wreath up there. Very gentle decoration. Not too much. Ah, look here, everyone. Ooh, very gentle. Nice little entree where you can leave your boots, maybe. Little rug also. And your coat before you go in. Very nice choice here for the paintings. Also down there, of course, that is an ESO Plus painting. Very nice, big one. I do appreciate them. Some of them are so brilliantly made. It's a nice subtle choice there. Here, complementary to the carpet. Colors, color theme moves along. Also the curtains there. Oh, and we have a mistletoe here. Very sweet. Oh, look! Oh, isn't this darling? Oh, this is so sweet. We were promised cozy and we have gotten cozy, everyone. Oh, so comfortable. Oh, and so detailed. Oh, nice idea for this particular couch. Wonderfully custom made. I do like when designers do that. It's nice thinking outside the box, creating a nice big couch to lounge on. Oh, look, such wonderful gifts. And this tree, nicely decorated. Very nicely decorated. Oh, look. Oh, just look. Hope everybody can see. Wonderful, gentle flowers are being used here to decorate. A little bit of apples, candles, of course. Very sweet. And of course, there are a bunch of presents beneath. Very sweet. Such a nice, detailed approach here. So elegant fireplace. Really like the layering here. This is a Markarth piece to function as a little bit of safety precautious piece, so as to not besmirch this wonderful rug. Nice mantle decoration there too, just subtle and elegant. Very new lifey. Oh, and of course we have seen the book From Old Life to New. It's making a reappearance throughout this competition. I love it. Also nice details here with filling that bookshelf with a game and books. The wonderful miniature ship. Good job. Very elegant. Also again, very subtly lit. Good choices for the color theme going throughout the house here. Very good. So have a look here. Ooh, look. Ah, we are going upstairs there. I shall look down here first. Where to go first? I'm so confused sometimes. I'm like, oh, where do I go first? Well, I have to see everything. Another ESO Plus painting. Good choice here as well. Elegant Elegantly lit, very subtle. Great choices here as well. Ah, we do have some more sweet rolls. Very important. A reach chandelier. They are such nice pieces. They give off such wonderful shadow. I do like when there's a little bit of play with light and shadow. Just helps a home to come alive a little bit more. Adds atmosphere. Aha. Somebody is very hungry, it seems. Oh, hello, Amber. How are you doing? Oop. Aha, checking on the tea. Of course, very important. Must check on the tea. Really, really wonderful here. Also nice display here for this little kitchen. Door is again closed, but I think I can go in from the other side, or should be from the other side. Before I go up, or can I go upstairs here? I can. Oh, look! Even here, up in the attic. Oh, sweet. Very sweet. Oh, nice detail here. Great, great job. Little bit of laundry hanging around. Little bit of... oh, somebody has to make their bed, maybe? Oh, also interesting book. The Black Feather Court. Makes for nice reading. Really elegant. Looks also really comfortable. I'm sorry, I'm jumping on your bed, but it's not made. I hope I'm not ruffling it up anymore. Really, really sweet, this little upstairs place. Haha. And of course, next to the kitchen, you do need all the supplies. Wonderful herbs there. Bit of game and all the fruit. Very great attention to detail here again. Makes this very lived in. Really comfortable as well. Wait, there's also the stables down here. Yes, I should probably go to them first before I go upstairs. All right. Can just walk around here. Just looking if there's anything that I could potentially have missed. Also giving you a little bit more of a look-see here. Very sweet. Also a really nice display here. Look, everybody, great layering job. Good lighting. Really nicely done. And we shall go up to the tower. I'm sure all of you have been waiting for it. Ooh, I love this. I love towers. Nice heights and everything. Look there. How marvelous and how wonderful this little snow globe home is. Let me see, I can probably jump down there. Oopsie. Well, magic carpet, thank you very much. I still wanted to see that. Maybe I should just block. I'll try and then I'll try again and see if I can get there. So we can have a closer look, unless can't. This is such a nice idea. I hope you can see this on the stream, but it is powered, the little sleigh. Looks like 2 vessels and layer-in stalls. And of course, well, they're not reindeer, but they are reindeer now. Mondennebel. It's very darling and sweet. It's amazing, yes. We'll look upstairs again. I hope this looks like that this door here is not supposed to be opened. Is a very good job here. Also the layering. I hope that you can see this. Very nice. Really appreciate that. It's not that easy to do, to make it look homogeneous and like it belongs. We are on top again of the tower. No, wait, here. There. Have a look, everybody. The sleigh looks also so detailed. Ah, really nicely done. Let's see if I can jump this time without... No, magic carpet decided to do this again. But I could turn that off and jump. Just go. Where was that again? Oh. Let's see. Let's see if I can jump down there and have a closer look. I'm so sorry, everybody. I'm going in a 3rd time. I know. But look, just look. I really like the mistletoe here. This idea is very sweet. So you have another look at all of the interior again. Yeah, I'm not good at jumping down there, apparently. I'm very sorry, everybody. So just look at that lighting job here. Mondennebel, you have done so well lighting this. Look at the gentle touch, the Christmassy look. Slightly frozen. Oh, good morning to you too, Nguyen Tia. I hope you are having a nice coffee or tea for your breakfast. Just look up there. What a wonderful sleigh. But shall I go pedal back a little bit so you have a little bit more of a glorious view? Oh, already Saturday where you are? That is interesting. So we can hear and learn what tomorrow shall be. It is so, so beautiful. Is it not also? Welcome, welcome to the stream. And yes, do start building with all the ideas that may be sparking and firing off, and go and build something. No, I don't need those. But thank you very much. That's very considerate of you. We are still, by the way, at the first house of tonight's stream. I hope you are all strapped in for a long one. Everybody look. Just look one more time. Well, hello, Grom. Good evening. Welcome, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a wonderful time. I shall have a look where we will go next.